Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for your Verbena plant. To start, Verbena loves sunlight, so ensure it receives a minimum of 6 hours of direct sun each day for the best blooms. Plant it in well-draining soil to avoid waterlogging, which can harm the roots. When watering, give it a good soak, but only when the top 1 inch of soil feels dry to the touch. This foundational care will set your Verbena up for success. Once your Verbena is established, adjust its watering schedule. During dry periods, watering once or twice weekly should suffice, but always check the soil first. For vibrant growth and continuous flowering, feed your plant monthly with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Remember to dilute it to half strength to prevent nutrient burn. Proper watering and feeding are key to a healthy, flourishing Verbena throughout its growing season. To keep your Verbena blooming profusely, deadhead spent flowers regularly. This encourages the plant to produce more blooms instead of seeds. If your plant starts looking leggy, don't hesitate to prune back about 1/4 of its growth to promote a bushier shape. Also, keep an eye out for common pests such as aphids and spider mites. Early detection and treatment will help keep your plant healthy and pest-free. For those in colder regions, Verbena is often grown as an annual, but you can bring it indoors for winter. Ensure good air circulation to prevent issues like powdery mildew, especially in humid conditions. With these tips, your Verbena will thrive. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees Black Ice air fresheners for your car, plus other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.